I got Skinner playing loud on the radio. Lord, another 100 miles or so to go till I'm back home where I belong. If it feels this good, you know we can't be wrong. Well, I can already taste that barbecue with a little homegrown Mountain Dew. Just a little bitty sip will make you lose your mind. Everything's better down below that Dixie line. Well, I'm going down south today. I'm going back to my old ways. I tried their way of living, now it's back to mine. Southern winds keep on blowing, Lord, you know right where I go. Going down south, Lord, I'm going home. Just been low, sitting on the porch drinking now.